Right, it's Wednesday, May 1st. I'm buying some NVDA 840 puts here at 1780. This is kind of the 1 minute chart. This was the blue line is the pre-market lows here. If I zoom it out on the 15-minute chart, price came down and took that out. Watching this area very closely, it looks like it's not kind of hitting liquidity and then wanting to reverse back to the midpoint of that first bar, and we're continuing lower. So I bought the puts here. If we look at the daily chart, this is a 2 down gap today that I think has targets right to here to start 833.87 area. So we're getting close to that right now, and I got those puts around 8. There we go. We just took through there. So you can see those options now are at 1780. They're up to 20. They just hit 20. So you can start scaling out, set up an overage trade. We're hitting our first target here on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, let's look at that. This is kind of like the rest of the market, an inside week failure, but we're not quite to the halfway point of that, but we're heading lower. So anyway, we just hit our target here on this, you can see here, moving down on bar number 3 on the 15-minute chart. It kind of it didn't hold this pre-market low, and then we worked towards our next target, which was that daily low down here on this green bar. So now we see at this point, this is the next inflection point. Are we going to hold here or work lower, kind of making higher highs and then working towards lower lows to the bottom of the range? But good trade on NVIDIA here. You could scale out, kind of set up a no-risk trade at this point. I could see the options are still above 20, so almost getting close to 3 points higher here on those options. You can see here, but those 1780, they're up to 2025 right now. So good trade. I'll scale out, set up a no-risk trade, and then see if we can hold the midpoint of that first bar and work down in kind of a directional move, one push, pause, second push type of thing today on NVIDIA.